Epicflows production.
Epicflows.
Yeah. Dear Dream, just a while ago me there trees in a BK and a nice girl in a line in front of me. Her body fat like pregnant dog belly. She look like a camper when she used to go cause she full of shape. Dream, she no stop smile with me. Girl smile sweet like cherry juice with a slice of pineapple. As me take out my phone to take her number, her dirty man walk out her bathroom and she stop smile with me. Dream, she didn't want a white dress with one black undershirt and she buy a zinger out of $1,000 with the serial number JN1142253. She get back $335 change and she take her Schweppes drinks. Dream, help me find her. Me hope she dey on your page. Tell her to email me at epicflows@gmail.com. PS, tell her me no care if she can't cook. Dear Dream, hide me ID please. And me the text you help me find the girl the other day. She never email me no but somebody tag her under the post. Me can't believe me find her. Dreamy girl picture then clean like my belly after a long day with diarrhea. She look like she have sense too, you know. Me like them thing there. Dream, me go through her profile and me like every single one her picture them. You want see how me just a slap a phone screen like a Portmore me da kill mosquito. Anyways Dream, me just come through for update on the still, you know, and say big up to the dream of them for help me find my wife. Zane, yes me feel happy and now like Miss Kitty when she just get a new shape. Can I get a wow? Me DM her last night in a dream, so just a wait for the reply and now we start to life together. Yeah man, me tell her if you send me a picture and nipple make me cripple. So you don't know say she go reply to that? Yeah Dream, big up yourself every time. P.S. Me so if you go put off the market in a me buy ya now. Can I get another wow? Dear Dream, hide me ID please. Me need some more advice. Me send a girl 5 messages and she still no respond. At first me say, no man, she have a life outside of social media. You mean so me a give her some time. So me humble myself like Squash and Chronicle or some festa wait for my turn. Dream, me looking at me following part of my notification to see where people want me follow up to. And I dirty stinking girl name me see like a sofa picture them. Dream, me feel hurt like the angel when Beanie Man the shame or another dance and say it's not appropriate. Dream, make me calm down. Dream, me now love again. Me a lock up my heart like how them lock up cartel. Dream want me Christina move some man. All me want do a treat her right and live in her uterus like fibroids. She a move like a beg me a beg her something. Christina, you know what? You do you and me we do me. Dream, post this to me and I hope it dirty girl see it. Oh PS, no picture no dep on her profile with the man when me see her with na BK. But you see if them still there, I hope him burn her like how them love burn Pernell Charles Arcade. Dear Dream, put all this nose over my ID there. Me did a try to get about Christina, you know, but it never work out. Me just find myself a check on her profile like a plot in me a fry. So me do look research and me find out yes how she work. 27 and a half after she rode that chicken and things. Nobody think me a star kind of Dream. I know nothing like when I shine at the left foot type this. But Dream, me feel alienated without her in my life. At the 3rd day this now me I watch her workplace. Every day a man come pick her up after work in a Dream. And it hurt me not tell no lie. Me sorry me never photocopy me heart and left the original of me yard. Her man favor bully bop, but with teeth. Me want know what she could have seen her emotional scene of me. I guess I know looks he must rich. And must that, cause the woman you nowadays coming like JPS. If you not give them no money at one time, then we cut you off. Dream, me a go in there go talk to her, you know. Dream me gone. P.S. Wanna pray for me.
Hi, welcome to Chicken and Things. Christina is not here.
Dear Dream, me never remember saw the half for tree branch Christina work today. What is? Tell me if I summer eat make me a behave so strong. But Christina look too damn good for have just one man. God say I must share and me want my peace. Love when me a fear deeper than the patrol them when I rode. Christina, you born blessed like your father a pastor and a beer holy water you drink. Make Savannah one go and go sing about she no want nobody man. Man forget bun like when you hot pot without dish towel. Christina, me will second for be a mega man. Me will take you bun like roast beet fruit and say please thank you. Me used to wonder if my soulmate a one Jehovah Witness you know and me never open me door. But you see ever since me meet Christina, me realize say everything happen for a reason. And you don't even understand. Dream, you see the next time you hear from me, Christina go be mine. Just watch. P.S. Dear dream, right now me upset like when conscience girl they find out say I wear out all her blouse them. Me say 6 and Christina still no want me. I wonder if me need to start say 7. Cause right now me feel like L.A. Lewis on a regular day, you know. Me feel fool and me feel smart at the same time. Dream, me need for then a Christina panty like Stay Free Products. Christina make her co-worker tell me yesterday say she gone and other chicken and things branch, you know. And she know damn well say she hide inside like Dexter Daps in a groupie house. I cause me neck fat like squash when make she a move so. And me turkle it make she no want me. That girl a move like Pinocchio so. Be a lie she a tell. Me no normally talk like Ashley no. But right now me about to change up like Jada Kingdom hairstyle. Me think about this long and hard, you know. Me tired for Christina rinse me out like dirty clothes by line. Me a go hide in her man car trunk when he come pick her up and just stay in there and trail them garden yard.
Christina!
It's epic out here.
Lucky thing when me wake up this morning, me dey thank God for life. Hope me no lose it. Dear dream, what is me really find myself in? Sometimes me wish me heart it big and black like Spice Batty, you know. What me a doing a Christina man car chunk man? Sometimes me wish me they just chill out and shadow a breaks, you know. Right now, me wish Christina they just trace me like highlighter and make me get the message and lower her out like how sense lower out the angel. If me get catch, me get myself in a more problem than NTB when them a do a upgrade. Dream me never plan for do nothing like the VMBS suit or Digicel night run, you know. All me want do a keep Christina pump in a constant spring like when rain fall palm Mullins Road. Father God, if you get me out of this, me swear me done like Robin. Would I carry a solo man, you know, stop scrape on the ground. It can't stop. Oh shit, somebody a come.
It's epic out here.
Oh shit! Only a Yemen girl would have said something if them police are pull away over. Are you a smart girl, right?
It's epic out here.
Good night, sir. License and registration. Rascal, Epic, are you that? Christina, are you that? Go to my boss. Now see alright, is it? Alright. You're police, but we're not police tonight. There's a carry up a thief, is it? Go through.
Dear dream, God never make a mistake. Pa pa pa. Me finally get Christina in my life here now. All of me ex then soon start feel like when man born with no legs. Them now go can't stand me when me and Christina they everywhere like Babsy Grange. Tell Warren we're saying better be wary. Cause me soon drop me and Christina maternity and wedding picture them and I want overshadow him. If I one thing Joe teach me, so my time you have to do anything for love. I love me and do this for because Christina sitting in a tree.
It's epic out here.
Dear dream, me have to thank God me no lock up like Cartel and have to drop album to Christina. Sometimes when me think about it, me I just feel like Jada Kingdom Batty. Heavy, you know me almost become a farmer though. A beer you made girl me used to talk to. So me say me I go take it as a sign and go plant some coke and dash in over St. Thomas. I look a bit after that me see Christina and dream. Me get mesmerized, me I tell you. Me no want no more you made girl in my life. Me like a girl them who meds deep like Shensia Vice. Dream, when me see how Tony and make him man a move like him in a Grand Theft Auto 5, me have to look for me Munga poster and me say Munga, may I be honorable in your eyes. Cause 2020, me wish him and them would have stopped killing woman them plenty. Me wish them find a love of them life like how me find a love of my life with Christina. Right now Christina in her bathroom a shower. We just reach home after the police then stop, we let we go. The man them look like them higher than popcorn over and roll fest. Dream, my life can't be no more happier. Me feel like how Maca Diamond start look damn good. Me feel like the second week when one church girl just find one man. Me ready for married.
It's epic out here.
Yeah. Bless up in a peeps. Says me Epicflows production. Remember fi hit the subscription button with the right there, so hit it and then you hit the notification bell right there, so mad thing.
It's epic out here.
Epicflows production.
Radekal and Zin,
Epicflows.
Leash, big bad boy Jamaican, you know. Kingston.
Yeah!